3 p.m. on Sunday. Mind you, I asked and brought up that, all right, why is no one looking into the misdiagnosis of my child? No one's looking into anything that I've made. It's only, we're just running with the mother's narrative.
Mm-hmm.
And this is it.
Hold on. The reason why is what gives him the power to do all this. He threw out the motions. So you gotta see where it come from. But I'm gonna ask you a question. So he threw out all the motions, correct?
Correct.
Okay, hold on. Why do you think he did that? Why do you think he did that? And now you're getting all this stuff happening. Why do you think this drastic turn of events? Why do you think that? Because you could appeal the motion that he did today. You could appeal it. But so why do you think that? Why do you think all of a sudden you went down there and he lays down a hammer? Why do you think that?
Because he's scrambling, trying to get in front of all the things that we sent out, like the
2 points for you. So I told you, like I told everybody, when you start filling out motions, et cetera, and we filed every complaint we filed with him was based on he's not answering. You filed motions, and all of a sudden, a woman that says you're the angry black man, her motion gets seen in front of him. But now he says, "Oh, now I'm gonna throw him out." No. He now understands you're not to be messed with. If you want to look at this, I understand you living in the emotions of it right now. When you're saying, "Dag, I got punched in the face, and I have to do all this." No, I get it. I'm not talking about that. But what I'm saying to you is that you didn't know, and a lot of fathers don't know that judges have bosses. We reached out to the judge's bosses. We told them that the judge is incompetent. And what did he do? He said, no, I'm going to be competent. Okay, I'm going to answer to all these things. It's okay. All we have to do is file motions. That is my client. My client that filed a motion in January. We filed a motion in March and May. None of them ever made the calendar. However, a judge filed a motion, opposing counsel filed a motion that the judge, to the courts, of course, that he went to a school and he was an angry black man. All false, but that judge got that motion made it to the judge's calendar. My client, very anxious. I told him, like I tell all my clients, every judge I ever put my foot up in goes from pit bull to poodle, as that judge did. He threw out all his motions, the motion that he filed way back in January. He threw it out now, today, August 25th. Why? Because we went to federal court on that ass. 732-875-9111. The judges got bosses, and the problem with you guys is you don't know court curriculum.